Abhidharna 4 article writing competition by Yogya, empowering society. About Law Brigade. The Law Brigade Publisher is an academic journal publication house established in 2015 as a subsidiary of Libertatum Media Group with portfolio of 9 journals dedicated towards the research of law, political science, public policy and economics. Law Brigade has the largest portfolio of law journals in India. The topic of the competition is Women and the World. Yoga Empowering Society is calling for articles from students, research scholars, academicians, professionals, and others on the following, including but not limited to this sub-themes: journey from marine to center, case of Indian Dalit women, women empowerment and AMP, sustainable development, civil society and its contribution towards rights of women as drivers of economic recovery during pandemic, understanding feminist perspectives of disability, women with disability, women and role of welfare state, evolution of women, related laws, women's rights tussle between politics and laws are the following subtopics. Certificates and prizes. After peer review, the selected top 5 articles will be published by Law Brigade Publishing Journal with ISSN number. Certificate of appreciation will be given to top 3 papers. Certificate of participation will be presented to all participants. Important date. Last date of submission of the article is 25th May 2021. Submission details. The competition is open for academicians, practitioners, students and research scholars. Co-authorship is allowed. The word limit of submission is 2500 to 5000 words inclusive of footnotes. All submissions must be sent to Yogya Empowering Society at gmail.com. The subject of the email should be submission article writing competition. The submission shall be accompanied with another Word document comprising of cover letter mentioning the name of the author's name and address of the institution, college or university, designation, that is year of study if applicable, contact number, email ID and other registration details. This competition is free of cost. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita is here. If anyone wants information on competitions, please like and subscribe my channel. I am also revealing a website in which I find new competitions. You can also, if you want to participate in new competition, both for school students and college students and even adults, Scholastic World competitions and scholarships for students. Please go to scholasticworld.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita is here and Geet Academy. Shout out to Sankamp All-in-One and Mission Art channel. For more details, please subscribe and like my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell for more information. Thank you. See you in the next video.